Welcome to my farm, kids. Let's meet the animals.
Stay together, everyone. Look at the animals carefully.
Kids, these are cows. They give us milk. That's it. Hold your hands flat like this so the cows can gently take the grass.
Wow, look at that. It tickles. Look at that big one eating the grass.
It's making a sound, Moo. Come on, kids. Let's go see the horses. Kids, these are horses. They help us with farm work and love to run. Kids, watch careful. This is how you ride a horse safely. Everyone hold the reins tight and ride slowly. Look over there. The peacocks are waiting for us. Here you go, peacocks. Gently now. Everyone take turns. Peacocks are known for their colorful feathers. They use their tail to attract attention and show beauty. Let's go see the donkeys, kids. Here, donkeys, gently now. Let's feed them slowly. Donkeys are strong and help us carry loads. They are gentle if treated kindly. Look over there. The turkeys are waiting for us. Here you go, turkeys. Gently now. Everyone take turns. Turkeys are strong birds that can make loud gobbling sounds. They enjoy walking around the farm freely. Let's go see the rabbits. They're so soft and playful. Here you go, rabbits. Everyone take turns feeding gently. Rabbits are gentle animals. They love nibbling on greens and hopping around. They are also very social and like company. Here come the hens. Let's see how they lay eggs. Carefully pick up the eggs one by one. Everyone take turns. Let's cook these fresh eggs together for a tasty farm meal. Yeah! These eggs taste wonderful, farm fresh and healthy.
They're the best I've ever had.
Thank you for visiting the farm. See you next time.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some turkeys, E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some goats, E-I-E-I-O. With a mama here and a mama there, here a ma, there a ma, everywhere a mama. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
A cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there.
Look how yummy they look, Grandpa.
Your grandma makes the best eggs in the county. That's it, son. We make a great team. Ready for the market. Well, now we made good time. Let's get this fresh milk unloaded.
I can carry the small one, Grandpa.
Welcome home, you two. How was the market?
We sold all the milk